Mema Obi Akwaba about juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a day bravo. Aye Kevin Taylor was reacted to aye and Simbi Omanhene Kwabena Asante and the two dra FA NDC on election one year when you one a presidential candidate. Now Kevin Taylor the Ensemble Grenara and na atudra. Now answer na yebeko and similar message say we subscribe to the channel now message say by subscribe or click subscribe button. Now our belly notification we are sa video for be upload no also wonsa ebekedi afa we are now like video no my thumbs up na fe wa share unshema afufro so enya bi enhwe afa yenko ensemimu eye na no na NDC for one koye one election yi one MP sa on begina ho in the various constituencies so and one yi eye one presidential candidate eye John Dramani Mahama na no Omanhene Kwabena Asante kire se eye NDC for say sikachebi ekoso eye Mahama ema sikase eye delegate no wane fanye eye TNT se de beya woni betimi abeto abano na eno na Omanhene Kwabena Asante any former president John Dramani Mahama enya bia wo kire se sa ne me de course no edwaye enye asepa na momo sambeka corruption asem enkire ye bio ensemo eye Omanhene Kwabena Asante editu dwa no anye Kevin Taylor de Oma Kevin Taylor so ababontin abetutu bi dia mane eye Omanhene Kwabena Asante na wo kire se eye Kevin Taylor kire se eye former president John Dramani Mahama obo apropos all the constituencies na woni ma ho kire ne hohia eye Ghana for ekomo enuti ene mane yesa na se bibi sei akoso ade na mumisa de iti eye former president John Dramani Mahama yesa na wo babontin na keka sansem we ene eye Kevin Taylor mfa ne ho anche no wo kire se wo tra TV so ema Kennedy Agyapong edidi watem eka se why wafun se Buffóon uti wo hwede ni wentimi anka bibia ankyere no ene Kevin Taylor de onyaw se de onfa wo ho nkyɛw na Kevin Taylor de ensem bebre nara en etudwa yensemre no yenkotie eye ensem aye Kevin Taylor editudwa abra all react to eye ensem aye Omanhene Kwabena Asante eka ye no yenti ensem aye Kevin Taylor editudwa.
Moment hear this audio from NPP Omanhene Kwabena Asante na me mamo another mesumen kama adwene nkyere video no na enko enim.
And I pay me the shock of my life that officially from the former president's camp and to the handlers of the former president.
Yes.
Mesremo, you are giving out 40 Ghana cedi to over 299,000 MPP delegates.
No, NDC
delegates as what?
Transportation.
For what?
In the
for
statement.
what? That you do baby and our batwono. We need to be induced.
No, how do you say inducement?
Now we are seven okay. A patriotic gesture, no, our door party.
For
what? International elections, are we saying that the national elections is, you know, all potential NDC sympathizers, they shouldn't be encouraged. I'm so worried.
Also, John Mahama thanks NDC executives across the country, announces TNT package for delegates.
No, Baubi.
Transportation.
No, but I'm saying that let's not do this.
40 CDs
let's
per
not
person.
do this. Anopanukrano. Unim. Lawyer Chumbe Mane. Collins. Adumako Mensa. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
It's you. All Collins Adumako Mensa raised by them said, no, may have been off. But I don't think that knowing who the former president is, an advocate for funding of political parties, anyhow, or Kutia Katashane Proeno, or Betro Krata, idea dancers say delegates are Kotoaba. And then they are about to as I say about TNT.
Yes, so we're electoral college, we're a specific delegate. And national.
But do you know what it does? So the next person who should want follow suit. And not just I didn't know our party to Aba. Because our party had no opposition for almost 8 years. When it saw a year come to say, open party, but your pair party, you know. One Bema Ghana for the drone now, also a party on top Broso. Say, this is a show. Even had been few places be. Which is done.
Yeah.
So when would you?
But you're walking distance to
the crown is dangerous. And these are several things I will be after Hakano. Say patriotic aspect you do say
is it your worry say omoye official public in an official communication?
It should not
because we know say all
other
aspirants
on YouTube.
There's one more for parliamentary will be a TNT for
delegates. Corruption. We can't fight corruption in this country again. That's why I say the MPP should not even attempt to take advantage. I'm hearing that the OSP
Omoka not the MPP abeshim. The NDC had an internal election. Omanhene Kwabena Asante Otohono. Obaso Kachrem say the NDC as a political party, if a flag bearer feels we are in difficult times, if a flag bearer feels that the situation we are in today, flag bearer to be, he has traveled around the nation to meet his party people. He didn't travel around the nation to meet the whole Ghana. This is an internal election. He traveled around the nation. He met NDC executives around the nation. He saw how people were even struggling to meet him, to speak to him, to talk to them, to even vote. He has seen the hardship people are going through under Omanhene Kwabena Asante Kennedy MPP under their government. At the end of the day, you don't know what the delegates told the man. When John Mahama was going around the country, nobody followed him to go hear personally what the delegates were telling him. You don't know. Did you know what called for that? When was the last time you saw anything like that? So you ask yourself as a journalist first, what made the president do that? What made the ex-president do that? When he went around, were the delegates telling him that so you might need support? How do you say that is inducement? Do you understand inducement? How do you say that is corruption? Do you understand it? And these are the buffoons sitting on TV. Every fucking thing biano, go after NPP. See the problems in Ghana. The problems in Ghana. Let's go after John Mahama. The question here is, did you follow John Mahama across the nation? When he was interacting with his party faithfuls and his party delegates, were you part of the conversation? Did you know what they asked him when he went to see them?
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Are you not even happy
all time
that a flag bearer has made this public? What would you have done if later you had gone out to go see a list and then people telling you that, oh, this list is a list that it was put under the table to give to us to take transport to the voting center? What would you have said? You are very foolish. Your level of intelligence is very low. I don't know what Jimmy said. I don't know. Mama politics, any journalism. Mama journalism, I time, sir. If John Mahama was basically bribing these people, why would he make it public? You are sending signals to what? So you want to tell me, say, because John Mahama met his party people and his party people, Eka assumption, were you there? Did you meet any of the delegates when they were complaining that Monkwasia MPP not to nyomem no muntu mifa kampo mbetwaba no? Were you there? You are a journalist. You pick your mic. You go to the president and say, Mr. President, we want to talk to you. This has never happened in our history before. What prompted this? Why did you decide to do this? And why did you decide to make it public? Nanyansa fona kasachiro say, Afriyie wuni minyansa, onya Kennedy Agyapong, mami nchire munchire. John Dramani Mahama cannot pay everybody to vote for him in Ghana. John Mahama can take the burden of his party faithfuls. If he has that capability, he will do it. John Mahama has a platform that he was telling people to donate. People who are willing to support his campaign. Jimmy. You people are stupid. Low IQ. John Mahama had a campaign. He had a platform. He actually told people, if you really want to support my campaign, this is the platform you can support. And then Amonka said, John Mahama, it be a platform. And as account said, Enkofon donating, it is also corruption. And then Amonka said, John Mahama, when he came out and said, he has a platform and that he wants people to donate willingly to support his campaign. Why didn't people say it's corruption? Because John Mahama, he's inducing them to pay him to use for his political ambition. And I'm because John Mahama has put an ad together. The ad is to do what? It is to lie to people to give him money. And then a man come back and will say, how did he read? Now you are talking about what signal is sending. Can John Mahama pay the whole Ghana to vote for him? So today, because of stupidity, a political party internally, they cannot help each other. Who doesn't know that political parties in Ghana, when they are having internal elections, money change hands? Who doesn't know? But this is the first time we have seen a politician write a document officially saying that this is a token for our delegates who belong to us. If you are going to find it difficult coming to the voting place, please, this money is coming to you people. It is from John Mahama. Take it. You never know. Ebia o to kwani nyina mu Náked is a boss. Ya pese atoma ba ye ni transport. Akufo-Addo nkwasi aban no ye ho kire ye. Mentumi ntam 50 Ghana and koto aba me ba de na mede bebe fie. Enti ubetuma ye bibi aye bibi. So you ask yourself, why did John Mahama put a platform together for people to donate? Gyemifuɔ. When it comes to the United States, when people are running for elections, every money that goes to them, they make an announcement and say this money was donated by this person. That's the transparency. John Dramani Mahama has shown transparency. He has shown transparency by putting that letter out and telling Ghana for say this money is coming from me because there is a platform that people are willingly donating into. Muna mama journalism aye time wa Ghana. John Mahama is inducing people. John Mahama is doing what? Bribing people. Mo madwene wo fom, mo Gyemi ntina metena ha na medi motem. Media we Gyemi amedi watem. I don't have time to entertain foolishness. And be na na hamono. So I will let you understand but where Gyemi ameka chiro because what they are sitting there doing it's simple. They want Ghana to say John Mahama is corrupt. Who is corrupt than your foolish Kennedy Agyapong and your foolish Akufo-Addo and your Bawumia? John Mahama ebe di bone obebo krono and obeka chire wiase mo Gyemi. De bia mo pese mo guni pedi ma se ya ntwema mo biemu and de mo kope bebi ntena. Ghana ni bi onim nyanse bi anim se Gyemi na moto Gyemi wasempa ho no. Bawumia ne alankas mo omo yisika omo ka kire mo. Bawumia ne alankas fo no omo ma eye MP yenti ha na nkofo koye work. Alankas work. Ena ehu video bas mo ka se misika amba. Na mo nti krom ha. Adeno man ka se Alan is inducing them, trying to use that money to convince them to come for what they call Alan work, to pay for them to vote for him. Why did you people say that? Ni antia ena nkofo ko bo chenku akra se oma Bawumia work oma nya sika afa kan kofie sika ka se do mo no omo nsanka. Was Bawumia inducing them? Was he bribing them? Why do you do such flimsy, baseless, stupid analysis? How can you conclude like this? Because it is NDC. It is easy for them to go after NDC. You pick stories, selective journalism. Anthony Wahande. Mr. S, get me that video. A man for Kodi Alan cash walk at you, ya. No mu complain about me say, I am a buyer, no, ya mammy cash in be, yama, and no, was it inducing them? When Kwabena Agyapong was going around the nation in the name of Buffóon's foundation, donating money to NDC delegates, no, was he inducing them? I don't know what Gyemi said. Before the elections and even during the campaign, Kwabena Agyapong was going out giving delegates in the name of Buffóon Foundation, supporting the party. Wasn't that also inducing them? Why didn't you people speak on it? Buffóon started this months ago. You didn't have that knowledge to sit on radio and say Buffóon is inducing some NDC delegates. I don't know, Gyemi. I don't know. There be a mama who can be dimatem. Why are you? Why say ankure? Obema kura yunhu. What do you want? Mujin say tribe
and the watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot
around
news
the nation.
Time.
Emma NDC delegates for Sika and Toma and no induce your man as a day. Mote brofo ba kwa nkurase for mobile kruma na bujin se muniati. Nkurase for mobile kruma na mo betena nkran kakra na mo benya enkran bode bi dia bujin se munim nyansa ma ben ma kenkan munim hye. Common sense application, you people don't have. Your IQ is too low. They be a better now, beside Kevin. Now, yes, sir. The reason is Utia do any time. John Mahama per se, Oma Obia Sika Sie, so Uncle Mana. I don't know the better Ghana for. Now, John Mahama Obia sa platforms and conform first can go not about the show. You are not smart. You people are not intelligent like the way people see you. Mumbra Mwasi, Jimino Dawson. John Mahama will be president, whether you people like it or not. And I've made the case here. And I've shown Ghanaians, San Kwasiadia Mote, a year radio hodun, Mwawbia. Intimenya ho time. Yet to Kroma Nipan Kunewu, and Kwaran Kunewu, Kwasia Fomont man, and Rezi, and Kancha president, so with Jimmy. Omanhene Komna Sante Obanka ho. Obi Obanka ho. Inti Yabetrawa, Nipan Kuno, and Kwaran Kunana, Omakofa, a Yakudo, Ekopesku, Akufo-Addo to Nisi Bakono, Moon to me Kancha president, so with Jimmy. And Sama Ekoso Ghana on my way, I say, Yatia. Nina here, John Mahama and the party for the your massam, and then a national topic. You are foolish, you people. Munnim answer. Wait, Jimmy.
Amount check. Now a bounce 1 year on TI. What got one in your man? Why then? Why when him say Buffóon in our tea? And I will show me, and I will cast a bit. What about my son boy? What's all count? You are part of it. Okay. And the Ghana essay. Okay. You can't somewhere you don't follow. Okay. You don't follow. Boakye Agyapong. Until the court arrives at a decision that incriminates somebody. And yet difficult to do. Who got law school? Who got law? Nipa amount check. Now a bounce 1 year on TI. What got one in your man? Why then? Why when him say Buffóon in our tea? And I will show me, and I will cast a bit. What about my son boy? What's all count? You are part of it. Okay. And the Ghana essay. Okay. You can't somewhere you don't follow. Okay. You don't follow. Boakye Agyapong. Until the court arrives at a decision that incriminates somebody. And yet difficult to do. Who got law school? Who got law school?
Kwasiasem say Kwasiasem say politicians use some say toilet paper. Nim nyansa. Akwa we to show so kazi we nim say Buffóon. Now that hot war. Obe o mem asem. Mahama asama banti. Ye nja na beka. Unim nyansa. Okope glass in tontre bi ahye say wo de unim nyansa chen obi a. Kwasi ampay to enim kazi we nim say Buffóon. Went man kasa say bema what o bema so. Mfui. Debia no Mahama na ye yankodi na tem. Obi say we nim say Buffóon on live TV. Went man anka say you should walk off your set. Because oba brocho you use say ponko or you use say kraman. O dan dan ase. Oh, how stupid you people have become.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. Can't say you should walk off your set. You are a slave. You are despicable. Mama journalism air time. These fools sit in front of you on national television. Insult your person. Sit on national television to insult your person. Then you sit there and you don't talk like a pig. And you want to say John Mahama. Internal politics, no, and then your topic. Are you okay? Obi di watamo TV so to so game to so giant war and no better memasem. Kone ko dinatem. Kone ko carry on landing through set so. Where will this happen in the world? A chair politician who so in preko or fidu asiema udi. That is the only way. Nobody can come on my set and tell me, insult me. What bodam? Now do you know how I got here? Mona mutie cheka krani apiapia mo abedru nkran nkurasefo amote nkran ye journalist ye dia ba yi o mama ye table ye dia per club apetition ho kwasiasem sa no money standards bia ose wafunu se Buffóon on live morning show now to us a precaution no you could not tell this fool to walk off your set. You want respect from me masa fa to kotena baby na mbema papa bi mbrani enka o masem.
Yo, Gyemifuɔ wene and some year Kevin Taylor edit to Dwa or react to a year and some of my Omanhene Kwabena Sante at radio so a year Asempa FM edit to just say a year John Dramani Mahama a year Sika or Kocha year 40 Ghana City teacher a year delegate and know that the boy and you so our day and assembly Nara a tuja and no na Kevin Taylor Suba Bontiberi at year what to be money a year Omanhene Kwabena Asante a day and assembly Nara a tuja. Because say Juicy News so and now we share so we can subscribe ya message say over subscribe now like it now share video no ama offer for so enya bi ahwe so betimi akire wadwen afa and some we nyina ho e wo comment box ni wo bete me nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.